Let me show you how VaraKit works and how you can build a fully branded website in just minutes. Everything starts with your brand card, where you tell the AI who you are, what your business does, and what you're trying to achieve. This includes your industry, brand vibe, goals, and any must-have features, which allows VaraKit to design a website that actually fits your brand instead of forcing you into a template. Once your brand card is complete, you generate your website, and in moments, VaraKit builds your site's structure, layout, and visual direction automatically. From there, you can preview your live website and refine it simply by chatting with the AI. Whether you want to adjust the layout, update copy, or change the overall feel, changes happen in real time, so you can iterate quickly without needing a designer or developer. When you're ready, you can connect an existing domain or purchase one directly through VaraKit, publish your site, and go live. VaraKit removes the friction from building a website, making it fast, intuitive, and built for modern businesses.